So we know you spend a lot of time in creating amazing YouTube videos, right? But what if I told you there's a way to reach a wider audience with that same video? You add subtitles. That's right, subtitles are what the bots can read, like the Google web bot. When it goes and indexes that video, it'll read the captions, and if you've got keywords in captions, well, bazinga, you've got it done. And having it done, this is the way I do it, okay? I've got a Google document with today's date of October the 3rd, and that document has got these steps outlined in it if you need to read it rather than listen to me say it. But here goes. You record the episode with ScreenPal, all right? It used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. It's a great Windows screen recorder. That's done. So you upload the finished product, the MP4 file, to Adobe Sound Enhancement, and I've got the link in the Google document. The other link I have is convertio.co. You take that enhanced MP4 file and use Convertio to convert it into an MP3, okay? Now, I went to the Microsoft Store and I downloaded whisper.ui. It's on sale for $2.99. I figured, well, I'll risk it, okay? Works great. So you put the Whisper UI to work. First thing you do is you open that up and then select the folder that you want to put all of these elements into. I try to keep the same folder open where I put the MP4s, MP3s, the thumbnails, etc. Anything related to that project on that date. So then after you've selected the folder, you go to the next tab, and that's transcribe. Click on that, and there's going to be a menu on the left-hand side. Pick the file, and that's the MP3 you created with Adobe Enhance, and then converted with Convertio, right? So the Convertio MP3, you want to pick that file with Whisper UI, then click on the red button to translate that MP3 file into text, okay? When it's done, you're going to see Bring It to the Editor button appear. You do that, click on the Convert button on the left-hand side. It makes that audio into an SRT file, and that's got the timing in it. And you save that in the same project folder, you know, like I just talked about a minute ago. So then you upload the enhanced MP4 file into YouTube. After the first panel, and the option is to add subtitles. That's when you upload the SRT file that you created with Whisper UI. You then click the play button and you follow along with the text and that displayed SRT file to make sure it's 100%. Pause and correct the text as you need to do it. And then when you get done, bazinga, you've got it done. Click done, and there you go. So thank you for listening to this episode of the Practical Digital Strategies, and hopefully this has helped your YouTube efforts. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.